Hello friends, welcome back to EBS with another important and informative video. So in this video, I am going to explain you that the complete information of how electricity works in the electrical system or in the electrical circuit. Okay, so before going to know about the complete information of how the electricity actually works in the electrical system, we must have some basic knowledges regarding the atoms and the free electrons in an atom, and also we must have some knowledge about the flow of electric current in an electrical circuit, and also the concept of voltage in the electrical circuit, and also we must have some basic knowledges regarding the resistances in the electrical circuit. Okay, so these basic knowledges we must have in our mind to know about that how the electricity actually works in the electrical system. So let's start the video without wasting much time, guys. So an atom consists of positively charged nucleus surrounded by a negatively charged electrons revolving in a circular orbit around the nucleus. Okay, so always remember that the central part of an atom is nothing but that is a positive thing, that is a nucleus. Okay, so nucleus is in positive nature, and also the electrons are moving or revolving in a circular orbit around the nucleus, as you can see in the image of this atom. Okay, so sometimes the electrons in an atom outermost shell do not have a strong force of attraction to the protons or the nucleus. Okay, so these electrons can be pushed out of their orbit. Applying a force can make them shift from one atom to another atom. Okay, so this shifting of atom is produced, that will produce the flow of electricity in the circuit. Okay, so this shifting of electrons or the shifting of charges causes the current in a circuit. So an electric current is a flow of charged particles such as electrons or ions moving through an electrical conductor or space. Okay, so current is nothing but the net rate of flow of electric charges or the electrons in a conductor. Okay, so this is all about the electric current. So now let's talk about what is a voltage. What is a voltage or potential, or sometimes we are calling it as a tension. So the voltage is nothing but it is the cause of flow of electrons in the electrical circuit that will push the electron to move from one point to another point. That is indirectly the cause of flow of electric current in the circuit. Okay, so flow of electron is nothing but it is the flow of current. So that's why indirectly voltage will be very beneficial to flow the electric current in the circuit. Okay, so we have talked about the voltage and current in the circuit. Current is nothing but that is the flow of electrons or the flow of charges in a circuit or in a conductor. But the voltage will provide some force to the electron to flow the electric current in the circuit. So this is the concept of voltage and current. Then what is the role of the resistance in the circuit? So resistance is used to limit the current in the circuit, so that if the value of the voltage or the current required is less, it is used to limit that current value in the circuit. So remember these things, the role of the resistance is to limit the value of the current or the voltage. Okay, so these three things are the most important thing in an electrical circuit to flow the electricity or to produce the electricity. So by connecting a load by means of a lamp or any type of appliances to a battery, and a limiting resistance in series with the load in the circuit will be called as a simple example of an electric circuit, or simple electrical circuit you can call it as. So this is the simple circuit which is responsible to produce the electricity in a proper manner. Okay, so this is the electrical circuit and how the electricity will produce by means of connecting appliances to a battery in series with a limiting resistance. Okay, so this is all about the simple circuit and also how the electricity will produce in the electric circuit. So this is all about this. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.